Good afternoon, folks. With the help of my son-in-law, I was able to successfully get the Comet Gp1 up on top of two top rail fence posts. It's approximately 20 feet in the air. I'm grateful that it wasn't this windy when we were doing it. I also have a 40 to 10 meter HF wire in-fed half wave. You probably can't see the wire, it's only 26 gauge Minteco. But I used ABR Industries coax. I believe it's the 218X. I don't really remember the number, but it's got that new FME connector on each end. And I'll tell you what, that FME connector was making it easy to get that coax into the house through the existing hole. I ran it down the side of the house there, and it goes in about 10 feet from the other end. So the 100 feet was just enough for what I had to accomplish. That ABR stuff is good. You should take a look at it. I really like this stuff. I got 1.5 to 1 or less through the 2 meter and the 440 band. Well, that's it for now, folks. Here's one more look at it. You all have a great day. W8VHS.